How to be more eco-friendly in 2020? Hello everyone and welcome to 2020. Our topic this time around is something to have with you this new year as you continue in your eco-friendly strive. Are you looking for some motivation this year on how to live an eco-friendly life? Do you want to become more eco-friendly in 2020? Whatever your reasons are, we can help. Following an eco-friendly lifestyle means cutting off some easy luxuries. You might need to change a lot if you are just beginning, but one thing is sure, you will be doing a noble task. Tips for eco-friendliness in 2020. Reduce your consumption. Only use that which is necessary. The planet already suffers from the overuse of resources by man, even when there is no need for it. Evaluate what you need beforehand and ensure that you go buy what you really need. Travel needs. When traveling, we tend to overpack things because of the fear of needing them, but most times we end up not having a need for what we packed. Try to reduce your luggage when traveling and only pack things that can be used more than once. Rather than go for disposable cups or cutlery, choose metal or other eco-friendly materials. This way, you reduce your travel weight while making the earth a better place. Welcome vegetables. The more natural foods we consume, the less processed foods will be manufactured. The proceeds of getting these already packed goods are harmful to the earth. If more people choose the vegan path or at least introduce more of it into their meal plan, then these companies would have to stop production. As a bit of bonus advice, set out days of the week where you uphold a strict vegan diet all day. Cloth products. Cloth products are reusable and can be very long-lasting. Choose them over disposable options that can't be reused to further implement your eco-friendly lifestyle. Green gift. What better way to encourage those around you to choose the eco-friendly lifestyle than gifting them green gifts? If you make it a duty only to gift out eco-friendly items, then you might encourage someone to try buying more for themselves. If you are in search of some green gifts, check our collections page. Don't give up. It's hard and we understand. Sacrificing those comfortable and wasteful ways to live can be difficult. Finding quality clothes that are eco-friendly and still unique and nice can be hard, but if you never give up, in time your persistence will pull others to join you. Educate and encourage. Do this for yourself as well as for those around you, or those you have an influence on. The more you know, the more you can understand the need for this path. Always remember that all this is for the human race after all. Separate your needs from wants. What you need to survive is necessary to have. What you want to be happy is a luxury you need to cut off. If you honestly don't need a car, since there is a perfectly good public transport system in your area, then don't get one. And even when you have them, don't use it unless it's necessary. Try living a minimalist life and cut down on your wants. Many of them are harmful to you as well as to your environment. Check the description below and you can read our book about how to live a minimalist life. Repair, don't throw away. Another great tip to be more eco-friendly in 2020. Don't give up on items as soon as they stop working. Attempt the idea of repairing. If it's beyond that, then recycle. This goes for metal, glass, paper, rubber and lots more. It's not bad until it biodegrades. Budget and second-hand. If you have to get something new, try going through the used products. Many things are sold for half the price in very good shape at a second-hand store. To ensure that you have to try used shops first when shopping, go with a strict budget. No wasting. If you have an excess, try storing it for later. If it's food, keep in the fridge or microwave until you're ready. No plastics. Say no to plastics and nylon. Choose paper, cloth or metal. Tree and me. If every person had a personal tree, then things would be a lot better. Use an eco-friendly pot for indoor or garden plants. It doesn't matter what you choose as long as you are planting. Green cleaning products. Use only eco-friendly products for your cleaning products. It's healthy and effective. Tell the world. Be a proud advocate for green living. Tell friends and foes alike. The journey is endless, but the results are priceless. Work for the planet and make it a habitable place for all. One tree can't make a forest, but a forest starts from a single tree. Tell us what you think, leave us your opinion in the comment section, and let us know how will you contribute to living an eco-friendly lifestyle in 2020. If you like this video, press the button like and share with your family and friends so more people to change their life and we can change the world together. If you want much more eco-friendly videos, subscribe to our channels for more video on this topic.